In this video, I'm going to show you a very important left hand pattern called the bounce. We're going to be applying it to a familiar song called Leaning on the Everlasting Arms, but I'm also going to show you how you can apply it to all the songs that you're already playing at home. My name is Christine, and here at the Gospel Method, we want to make sure that you have all the tools you need to play your favorite gospel songs on the piano. For tons of free resources, including the handout we're going to be using today, be sure to go over to thegospelmethod.com and create your free membership. You can download unlimited copies of all the things that are in there. There are lots of goodies to bring you to the next level. Now, let's jump right into our song today. We've got Leaning on the Everlasting Arms. Like I said, just a familiar hymn, but you can use this concept in lots and lots of songs. Now, this concept comes from our brand new book, Foundational Skills in the Key of C, which I'll talk about more at the end, but this is a great book for beginners. It is on Amazon, and it takes you from never playing the piano to being able to play, like we're doing today, both hands together with patterns and left hand things and all kinds of stuff. So I'll talk a little bit about that at the end. So let's take a look at our song. It's going to take us, the bounce is going to take us from this simple fellowship, what a joy divine, and it's going to add a little pep, and it's going to make a big difference in sounding like a beginner, and instead you're going to sound more professional. So the bounce sounds like this. What a fellowship, what a joy divine. And so it just adds this little bit of rhythm in the left hand, but it makes a huge difference, okay? So what is the bounce? Well, what it is we're going to be playing our left hand here. So our left hand is playing C along with our right hand, right? Normally we would just go, what a fellowship, like that. We would just match. But what we're going to do is we're going to add an extra, I'm going to put a little plus sign here, a little bounce right before we go to the next chord. So it would be like C slash bounce. We're just going to hit whatever bass note we're on one more time before we change to the next chord. So C slash bounce, E slash bounce, F slash bounce. Okay, and so that would be right before we change to the next chord. We just hit it one more time. Now, there is some counting, so if you want to play it by ear, you could do that. You can just go C slash bounce, da, da, bounce, right? You can do it by ear, that's fine. If you are a counter, the counting would be 1 and 2 and it would look like this. So C is on the 1 and the slash is on the 2. Okay, so that would be your right hand with the counting. And then the bounce would be like this. So you're going to play C on the left hand, and then right on the and, you're going to hit it again. Okay, so if you wanted to count that, the top is the right hand, the bottom's the left hand, it would be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and that's in slow motion, but all together, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 a joy divine. You can see how that creates this little bumping pattern. I call it a bounce, and it gives it a little bit of a pep. Okay, so we can add that in right before we change chords, and this one is great because the chords change every 2 beats, so it gives it this nice repeating pattern. You might come across songs like over here on the chorus where we have 4 beats, and so you have an option here. If you're just getting used to it, you can put one, right before you change the chord, but you can also do it just every second beat. So you could go C slash bounce slash slash bounce. So here's the 2 options. If I did just the one before the F, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce F. So leaning, leaning. But if I added this extra one in the middle, it goes 1, 2, bounce, 1, 2, bounce, 1, 2. And that would sound like this. Leaning, leaning. So you can see the difference there. It makes a huge difference. We're just adding this one little extra sound on our left hand, and that is called, in our book, we call it the bounce. Okay, so that's a great one. I use this all the time on slow songs, on medium songs, and sometimes on fast songs. So I'll fly away, oh glory, right? There is nothing worth more that could ever come close, right? You can use it on fast songs, slow songs. It's really good pattern. If you're going to learn one left hand pattern, this is the one I'd recommend for sure. Now, like I said, this is all in our book, so if you're more of a hands-on kind of person, then definitely grab a copy of this. They're very reasonably priced on Amazon, and they're available in the US, Canada, and all over the world. Some of the things that are covered, it's taking you right from the beginning. We're going to talk about major chords, minor chords, inversions, left-hand patterns, so the bounce, rolling pattern, walk-ups, walk-downs, how to use your pedal, fast songs, how to do that, black keys, slash chords. Like, it's got everything you need if you've never played or if you need to fill in some gaps. So if you're playing and you're like, I know a lot of that, but I just feel like there's holes, this is a great resource. It has 2 songs for each chapter. It has exercises, it has questions, it has an answer key. So it's like a textbook, but it has 26 songs to add to your library so that you can take yourself from beginner and go through and know why it works and how it works. So it's not just showing you random patterns. The book explains why does it work and where can you apply it in your song. So definitely grab a copy of that. thegospelmethod.com. If you go to the store, it'll link you to Amazon if you wanted a printed book, or there's a less expensive PDF download. So if you want to just download it, it's $10 cheaper on our website. Again, that's thegospelmethod.com/store. So if you go into the store, you'll see the book there. And this is a 3-part series. So this is book 1. Book 2 should be coming out later this year, and book 3 next year. And by the time you finish all 3 books, you'll be going, right? You'll be playing everything. So, grab a copy and leave us a review on Amazon, and try out this bounce pattern with some of your songs this week. Bye!